Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to draw your favorite cartoon, the Peppa Pig. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with drawing a slanting line over here. Okay, and another slanting line on this side. Done? After this, we will start making a circle from this line and join it to this line. This we will make the face of the Peppa Pig. Done? Now we'll make an oval shape over here. Done? Now we will make two eyes of the Peppa Pig. One circle, two circle. Again, we will make two small circles inside the eyes. Ready? Now, similarly, we'll make two small circles for the nose. One, two. Okay. Now, two ears. We'll make long oval semicircle for the ears. Done. Now one big circle for the cheek. Now we'll make a smile, a big smile for the Peppa Pig. Okay. The next thing we'll make is the dress. We'll make a line, a curvy line, slant line over here, and another line on this side. Now we will join these both lines. Done. Now next step is to draw the legs. We'll draw the number 11 on this side and another number 11 on this side. Next we will make the shoes. For making the shoes, we'll make a horizontal line or a sleeping line for both the legs. Okay. Now one standing line over here and another standing line over here. Now we'll make a shape over here, join these both and make the shoes. Same way, one small slanting line here, so a standing line over here, another standing line over here, and join this both with a sleeping line. Done. Next we will make the hands. We'll draw two slanting lines on this side and join them with a C shape. We'll draw two more slanting lines on this side and join them with a C shape. Same way, one more over here. This is our first hand. Now we'll make the same way, we'll make a next hand over here. Two slanting lines on this side, join them with a curve shape. One more on this side, another one on this side. Now one more step is the tail. We'll start by making a wriggly line over here and same way another wriggly line along with it. Done. Now your Peppa Pig is ready. Now we'll draw a sleeping line from this side and join it on the other side. Done. Now we'll draw one sun over here. We'll make a small circle for the sun and draw the lines for the rays. Now we'll make two trees on the grass. We'll draw the number 11 again and a circle around it. This is one tree. Same way we'll make another tree over here. Done. Now our drawing is ready. You can outline your drawing with the marker or your black sketch pen, and then we can start coloring. Now these are the colors that I'll be using for this drawing. Okay. First we will start with a blue color for the sky. You can take any light blue colors.